Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. As you know, today the X Empire token is listed. In this video, I want to show you how to deposit X Empire NFTs into the bot and also teach you how to sell them. So, I would be happy if you stay with me until the end of the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Now, to transfer our NFTs, we first need to check which wallet we have connected to the bot. You should connect the wallet that contains the NFTs you have purchased. To do this, just click on this option and see which wallet you have connected. If you haven't connected the wallet that holds your NFTs, you can click on this option from this section and connect the wallet where the X Empire NFTs are located. Now that we have connected our wallet, we just need to click on this option on the main page and copy the address from this section. After that, we can enter the token keeper and click on the X Empire NFTs we previously purchased. In the open page, click on this option. After clicking this option, you'll enter a page where you just need to paste the address that we copied in the Telegram bot. Make sure not to type anything in this section and leave it empty. After placing the address, you can click on this option to complete the transaction. Important note: transferring NFTs to the bot may take up to 24 hours, so don't worry. However, I tested it with another account, and it was deposited very quick. Now, if you chose the method to send tokens to the exchange, your tokens will be sent directly to your balance. But if you chose to send your tokens to your wallet, you first need to ensure that the wallet address shown matches your own wallet address. After that, we need to go into this option and click on Choose Airdrop. Then, click on Airdrop 1 and hit Confirm. After that, it will show you that you are in line, and depending on the volume of tokens sent, your tokens will be sent to your wallet, so you'll need to be a bit patient. When the tokens are sent to your wallet, you can use the Swap section within your wallet to convert them to TON or USDT and make the most out of the airdrop you. I hope you've been able to earn good profits from this airdrop and enjoy watching the other videos on the channel. Until the next video and another airdrop, goodbye.